Hi, I am Abhay Ranade. I am Director of Kelkar Auto Parts Private Limited. We are a Pune-based organization. We are mainly into sheet metal industry, and we cater to most of the reputed MNC companies like JCB, Cummins, Honeywell. We also work for Tata, various group companies. So when we were looking for a new machinery for our upcoming plan, our purchase team came across Phillips machine tool company, and for our bending requirement and our laser cutting requirements, basically they recommended to explore JFY Machines. The Philips sales team, they recommended to go for a JFY bending machine, and then based on the brochure and basic the discussion, we were really interested with the product, and then we thought the thing which went in their favor is basically it is backed by the TRUMPF technology. And as we dig down more into details, what we observed is like one of the major advantage they are providing is the 3D modeling, by which what happens when before even we start doing the production or doing the sample on the machine, we can do the complete trial run or the test run on the 3D software what they are providing. So that is something which we really felt is something amazing. And one thing that really came out is the precision and the accuracy these machines are providing to us. So, and which is required in our industry, considering like 70% of our produce goes as export to the European market. So precision and accuracy is something which is very, very important for us. And these machines were really giving that kind of thing. Another important aspect which from a director point of view or based on my own experience is the serviceability. In case of JFY, one thing that came out is like since this service is being handled by the Philips Machine Tool division, we were assured that with their brand and with their strong team of service people around, we felt assured that this machine, any kind of a service whenever is required. And as of now, we have seen the results as well. We have already deployed a couple of machines, so our experience has been fantastic. They could deploy or install the machine within a very, very quick short time because we had an urgency, and they really help us that way. We are really happy to say that the Philips team, they could do it in a record time, and we like ahead of our expectation as well. So that is how basically we are very happy with it.